I'm Blended. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. And today I'm doing a quick smoky wing with a pop of sparkles and being extra. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey y'all, so today I wanted to show you how I do a quick and sparkly blend for when you're in a rush or for any occasion. I've been not having a lot of time for makeup lately, so I've been trying to find ways to make looks that I feel like are bold but quick and ones that I feel pretty in, and this is one that has been being my go-to. So without talking too much, let's jump into it. I'm going to start out with this LA Girl Shockwave liner in Blackout, and I'm going to start to do a wing real quick. Just a little baby one, and it doesn't even have to be perfect. This is just going to be the base. So I'll run that to about the center of the lid into the lash line, bring it up a bit, and then take it out a little bit more, about like that. And then, so whatever black or gray, black, gray, white eyeshadows that you have, you can go ahead and start to get those. I decided today that I was gonna, this has been my little carry with me places whenever I go. Haven't traveled in a while, but I remember I would always take this one. It's the Lovecraft Beauty eyeshadow palette Basic Rituals. I'm gonna take the shade Waning, and I'm going to start to do the smoky wing now. And then I have my Terra Moons Cosmetics Quad, where I have some shades that will help to complete the look. So I'm going to take the Makeup Shack T66 brush and Waning, and I'm going to pop that onto that eyeliner. And that really just helps it stay in place and intensifies it. And it's also a really easy way to try to get a nice wing. So just take it and pop that on, and then take a little bit more towards the crease, and pat, 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 pat. And this helps to kind of blend it, so you kind of want a triangle shape. So now if you want to, I just like to do this step. I'm going to take the Makeup Shack T62 brush and some of my Salate London Bamboo Bronzer. And I'm just going to put the brush into the bronzer, get it all on it. And then this is what I use to carve my nose most of the time. So what I'm going to do is just start to pop that to where it'll help me to connect my nose contour here in a little bit. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. So now I'm going to take Perseus from the Terra Moons Cosmetics Fall Equinox 2022 collection, I believe. I might have the launch bit not totally right, but I want to say that's when it dropped, was the fall collection. And I'm going to take the Makeup Shack T14 brush, and I'm just going to start to blend out Waning with it, back and forth very gently. I'm going to work that in towards the crease and take it about halfway and kind of pat it along the black shade to soften it up. Back and forth, back and forth. And just kind of work that into that bronzer if you decided you wanted to add bronzer. And then I'm going to take the Makeup Shack T63 brush in the shade Waxing, which is the white in this palette. And I am going to just take that on that fluffier brush and start to diffuse this blend. I'm going to take that white up pretty far, and I will go back into Perseus here in a little bit, as well as Waning. I'm going to work that over. Just a quick blend over. You see how quick this is coming together? There's not a cut crease in this at all. So I had a doctor's appointment about 3 weeks ago, and I did not have a lot of time for anything, so I decided I was going to do something like this to really be able to have time but also look presentable. I'm going to go back into Perseus with the T14 brush and start to bring it back. Intensify it a bit. And then take what's left on that fluffy brush from waxing. Blend, 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 blend. Soften her up. And then with that T14 brush, I'm going to take a little bit more of waxing and just really kind of stamp it onto the wing bit and bring it back. Just going back and forth. Kind of working that into the outer V. Now I'm going to clean that brush off and take a little bit more of Perseus with the same brush just cleaned off, tapping off the excess and blending it out. I'm going to take that T63 brush and more of waxing and start to go back and forth. Look at how quick and how easy that was. You're just about finished. So now I'm going to take one of my favorite Terra Moon's cosmetic shades that I have ever seen, used, played with, want to bathe in it. Vampire Store, my favorite. Just look at that shift. So I'm going to take my finger, dip it in there, ooh, and then pop it on to the lid. Work it into the crease, bring it over, and then pat it. And then with what's left, ooh, so pretty. I love it so much. So I'm going to take this dough color number, I don't even remember, it's almost wiped off completely. I think it's the number 10 brush. And I'm going to just blend that into the crease, back and forth very gently. Okay, so my ring light is really old, like from 2018, and I've used it pretty much every day since then, and it might cut out, so if you see a flash, I'm so sorry. I just had to give it a second to cool off and bring it back. So now that I have this, I'm going to take a little bit of the Glitter Wizard Invisible Jelly Shadow from She Glam, and it is in the shade Purple. It's like a iridescent purple. This is very, very, oh, I love it. So, I don't know if I'm going to be able to pick up how it looks. And I'm just going to tap my finger in, get a little bit. And then I'm just going to pop that on the center of my lid and up to my brow. Pop it on. Just because I'm extra and I wanted extra sparkles, this is very, very nice. I love it. This is my second one. I ordered one in like 2021 or 2022. I can't quite remember. And I used it a lot, and then it dried out because I moved stuff around. And in my depression and not using much of anything new but what I really enjoyed, it dried out. Okay, so, oh yeah. I also ordered the Digital Zombie Hollow from Bella Beauty Bar, and I'm gonna use that for my brow bone highlighter and my inner corner highlight. And I'm so excited because it's beautiful. Everything I've tried from Bella Beauty Bar has been 10 out of 10. Cannot recommend enough. Alright, inner corner, and then I'm gonna work it up a little bit. Go whoop, whoop, whoop. I don't even know what that was. Little Three Stooges noises, I guess, huh? Okay, and then I'm going to take it And I'm gonna pop that for the brow bone highlighter for extra gorgeous sparkles. And kind of down low as well. Alright, I'm gonna clean up the shadow wing and then add some Gleam glitter and the Angel Baby Gem Pack for Manic Gents. This is the finished look. What do you think? I'm so sorry I didn't get me putting all of the gems and everything on, but my card was full, so I had to get another one. But this is the look, and this is one of my favorite go-to looks for if I want to do something kind of bold but quick and easy, and it gives me a chance to wear Vampire Star and show how beautifully it shifts. It's so pretty. It's one of my favorite shades. It can I could go on about that shade for days. It's amazing. But yes, I am in the midst of pre-filming right now, so if you do have any look requests, please let me know, and as soon as I get a chance, I will do that and put them up before any pre-filmed if possible. If not, it'll take me just a little while because I have a lot of stuff going on, and I've been trying to pre-film that way I can keep videos rolling out every week just in case, and then I can edit in my free time and everything like that. So, if you have any look ideas, please do let me know. I forgot what I was going to say. I just got a phone call with amazing news. I'm not going to go into detail about it, but I'm a happy crier. I'm trying not to cry this look off. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up now because I have a lot of things that I have to go do right now, and I'm so excited. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to keep up my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube, then I'll have all my social medias linked in the description box down below. And if you'd like to keep up with me while I am here on YouTube, then please hit the subscribe button. It means so much to me, and I can't thank you enough. And if you like this video, could you please give it a thumbs up, because I heard that it helps to push my video out into the algorithm. So if you give it a thumbs up, then thank you so much. I'm so sorry, I'm so scatterbrained right now, but I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!